So guys, you know you can actually make money on Fiverr without necessarily having some technical skills like graphic design, website design, logo design, and all these advanced skills. Even those advanced skills are more saturated. If you want to make money on those niches, you're supposed to have gained much momentum on those niches. So I'm going to be reviewing 3 major favorite gig on Fiverr that are making money right now. And this Fiverr gig doesn't require any skills. It's worked throughout the whole world, irrespective of the country you are from. If you are from Nigeria, Ghana, Africa, North America, different countries throughout the world. And so going to review exactly how you can complete 99% ways to complete this order. It's done for you. You just have to use some tools. The tools are much cheaper. So ensure to watch this video from beginning to the end, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to always get latest updates like this. So without wasting much of your time, let me quickly show you the #1 Fiverr gig that are actually making money right now. So if you go to your Fiverr and you type voiceover, so this is voiceover, then you search on Fiverr, so you see a lot of people that is renting these services and they are paying them heavily. So as you can see, $10, $50, so they are paying them heavily. And you know, there are sometimes there are people that need explainer video voiceover, so they are hiring someone on Fiverr to be able to do it for them. So, and if you want to start, if you want to use your voice, sometimes your voice might not be really much okay, but I'm going to review a particular tool you can actually use to get exactly the best voiceover so far. So let's click on this thing to show you that people are really making money. So as you can see, there is one order in queue, and this person have over 853 reviews, which means that he has made a lot of money. As you can see, the voiceover $20 for just 25 words. Let's assume that you are doing on probably 500 words. So as you can see, they are going to charge $270 per 500 words. So let me review exactly how you can make these services. All we have to do is just to come to this particular website called Murf.ai. So Murf.ai is an artificial intelligence that generates voiceover, and this voiceover, I've been using them for a very long time. I use them on YouTube to do my voiceover on YouTube, and this voiceover are much okay. Like, you can't really tell difference between human being and the voiceover. So let me play it to see that you can actually. So as you can see, you know, this voice are really much okay. Let's try to play this one. So you can't really tell the difference between this one and the human being. So for you to start using this voiceover, you have to sign up. So I'm going to drop a link, a special link in the description below. So ensure to use this link to be able to get free trial. So you can actually generate a lot of voiceover on free trial. So this is the dashboard of Murf.ai. So for you to generate a voiceover, after getting order on Fiverr, like you have created a GIF that you want to render a voiceover. So let's assume that this is my script. All you have to do is just to copy the entire script. So you have to copy the entire script. So this is the entire script. You copy it, then you come over to Murf.ai. So you click on create a new project. So you create a new project. You can name it any name you actually want. So create a new project. Then you copy your entire script once. Then, like, you can now choose the voice you want to use. There are a lot of voices over here. There are a lot. So you can choose if it is male, if it is female, and different. You have Canadian voice, we have American voice, we have different voice. You can actually choose the one you actually want. For example, let's try to use female and basic plan. So I always use this particular voiceover very well because I really like the way they sound. So you can actually use them to generate your voiceover. So let's assume that I click on it, then like I will now click on generate voice, and it's going to generate the entire voiceover. So, and this is free plan. You don't need to subscribe for free plan. We are going to get 10 minutes of video length. So after 10 minutes, you are going to subscribe to this account. So you have to click on generate and build the voice. Let me try to build it. So you click on generate, and it's going to generate all this voiceover once. It's generating now. So after generating, you know, it has generated successfully. You can now click on build voice. So it's going to build the voice, and you download it, be able to submit it on Fiverr after getting sales and make your first order on Fiverr. So I think this one is really awesome. So the #2 on our list of the Fiverr gig, let's try to come to Fiverr also. Then you search for background image remover. So the top 2 is background image remover. So this service also is also actually selling on Fiverr. You know, most people, they are not really much familiar with how they can remove a background image, so and they are looking for someone that will help them. So as you can see, I will professionally do background image remover. It have over 1000k review. This one, I will remove background image, enhance photo with, you know, these people, they are really making money with this particular gig. And this gig, most people, it's few people that is doing it right now, can actually enter this niche and make money. So after getting your first order or about background image remover, for you to deliver these services, you have to use this particular tool called Canva. So Canva is an online software that allows you to design graphic design. You can actually design banner, logo, different kind of tools, and doesn't really require any technical skills. All you have to do is just to use this tool to do all the things you want. So for you to remove a background image, you have to click on a design, click on design, then choose a custom size. So this is the size I like to use very well, 800 by 500 pixels. So you can click on it, then it's going to load up a Canva for you to design on. So let's assume that you want to choose an image over here. You have to choose image, so you can actually find a particular image. Let me search for freelance. So to find the image to use, so I'm going to locate a particular image to use. So let's assume that I'm going to use this image, so I can actually drag this image to make it a background. So I can come over here and drag it to make it a background image. So as you can see, this image is now there. So for us to remove a background image using Canva, you have to click on the image, then click on edit, then you locate a BG remover, which is background image remover, with one click. So you have to click on it, and this tool is going to do the magic automatically. It's going to do the magic automatically. As you can see, it's trying to load up to remove the background image. Okay, so as you can see, it has removed the image, background image completely without any issue. But for you to use Canva to remove a background image, you must have subscribed to Canva Pro. If you haven't, I'm going to drop a link in the description below, so ensure to use this link to subscribe to Canva Pro if you want to use Canva. So but if you are the kind of person that don't have money on front to use Canva, you have to come to another website called remove.bg. So remove.bg also allows you to remove background image completely without any issue. Let me try to find the image to remove the background image, and you'll be able to see that these two actually work. So let me find a specific image. So let's assume this is the image I want to remove the background image for. So as you can see, these two allow us to remove background image without any issue. So if you like this content so far, I will like to ask you to like this video, share it to your loved ones, so that you'll be able to make me grow here on YouTube. So last Fiverr gig I did that actually make you to make money online without any technical skills is called business name generator. So let's come to Fiverr, then we search. So we search business name. So you can search on Fiverr business name. So this is a keyword that actually make you money online. So as you can see, there are a lot of people that is doing it. I will develop a unique business name ideas. I will create catchy business name idea. And this to be sincere with you guys, these services are much simple, and you'll be able to make money. So you can see a lot of people are really making money online. So let me click on one to be able to show you exactly what people are really making. So let's try to click on this one. You have 9 reviews, so and you have 2 others in queue. You know, these particular services are really hot cake, and it's few people that is doing it. Most people are really after graphic design, website design, logo design, and these ones are much saturated. So as you can see, you have 2 others in queue, and the basic plan is $25. The standard plan is around $75. The premium plan is around $150. You can actually start this gig and start making money online. So let me show you exactly how you can be able to, after getting your first order on these particular services, how you can deliver the services you promise here on Fiverr. So for you to deliver the services, you have to come to this particular free online tool, which is called businessnamegenerator.com. So this business name generator allows you to generate different kind of business name. So all you have to do is to try to type in your keyword. For example, if you are in health niche, you can type in health niche, health, and it's going to generate different kind of ideas. You know, as you can see, health, ozona, hero health, So you can, if you generate different ideas, bulk ideas, you know, because these people, they are not really, they don't know that they can use some tools online to generate this business name ideas. So you can use this tool to be able to get this business name idea and eventually submit it to them, and you make your money, you bank your money to your bank account. So I hope today content help you one way or the other to be able to make money on Fiverr as a complete beginner. If you like this kind of video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, if you want to make money with AI, you have to watch this next video that is going to display on your screen. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.